Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Tony's Top Tech, your ultimate destination for discovering gadgets that make life smoother, cooler, and a whole lot easier. Today we're diving into 10 genius Amazon finds that will revolutionize how you live, work, and play. From smart security to quirky cleaning tools, this list has something for everyone. Ready to be wowed? Let's jump in! Number 10. Peephole Camera, Smart Security. Kicking off our list is the Peephole Camera, a game-changing upgrade for your home security. This sleek device swaps out the old-fashioned peephole for a modern digital camera that syncs directly to your smartphone. With this gadget, you can see who's at your door in real time, no matter where you are. Whether it's a friendly neighbor, a delivery person, or an unwelcome visitor, you're always in the know, thanks to features like motion detection, night vision, and real-time alerts. What makes it even better? Some models come equipped with two-way audio, so you can talk to visitors without even opening the door, running late for a package pickup, or need to send a quick message to a friend. This camera has you covered. Plus, it's a great deterrent for those pesky package thieves. Home security just got smarter, sleeker, and way more convenient. Number 9. Automatic Vacuum Sealer, Preserve Freshness. If you're a meal prepper, bulk shopper, or just someone who hates wasting food, the automatic vacuum sealer is about to become your kitchen MVP. This genius gadget locks in freshness by sealing food in airtight bags, protecting your groceries from spoilage and freezer burn. It's perfect for extending the shelf life of everything from fresh produce to meats and leftovers. Plus, it's a game changer for sous vide enthusiasts who want that perfectly cooked steak every time. Why is it a must-have? Not only does it save time and money, but it also reduces waste in a sleek and efficient way. Some models even come with built-in bag cutters because, let's face it, convenience is key. And for the perfectionists out there, high-end versions include settings for both dry and wet foods, so you're always sealing with precision. Whether it's strawberries or sous vide sirloin, this gadget has got you covered. Number 8. Portable Clothes Dryer. Dry clothes. Anytime, anywhere. Laundry day just got a serious glow-up with the Portable Clothes Dryer, the ultimate solution for anyone short on space or time. Compact, energy efficient, and incredibly easy to use, this gadget is perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, or even travel. Whether you're dealing with a sudden downpour or need to quickly dry your favorite shirt before that big Zoom meeting, this device has your back. It's especially handy for drying small loads or delicate fabrics that need extra care. Why should you get one? With timer and temperature controls, it's versatile enough to handle everything from heavy-duty cotton to delicate silks. And when you're done, its foldable design makes storage a breeze, even in tight spaces. Say goodbye to draping clothes over every piece of furniture and hello to tech-forward, hassle-free laundry. It's convenience, efficiency, and modern living all wrapped up in one neat package. Number 7. Magnetic Wrist Bracelet, a handyman's best friend. DIY enthusiasts, get ready to meet your new best friend, the Magnetic Wrist Bracelet. This clever gadget is a lifesaver for anyone who's ever dropped a screw mid-project or spent way too long searching for that one missing nail. Equipped with powerful magnets, it keeps screws, nails, bolts, and even small tools securely on your wrist, so everything you need is right at your fingertips. Whether you're assembling furniture, fixing a bike, or tackling your next big DIY masterpiece, this bracelet is like having an extra pair of hands. Why is it a must-have? It's not just practical, it's a game changer. Some premium models even include built-in LED lights, making those late-night or dimly lit repairs so much easier. Plus, the adjustable strap ensures a comfortable fit for all wrist sizes. Durable and dependable, this tool will have you breezing through projects with a level of efficiency that's, well, magnetic, literally. Number 6. Mailbox Sensor. Never miss a delivery. Say goodbye to the endless guessing game of "has my package arrived yet?" with the Mailbox Sensor, the ultimate gadget for staying on top of your deliveries. This smart device sends real-time notifications straight to your phone every time your mailbox is opened. Whether you're waiting for a crucial letter or your latest Amazon haul, you'll always know exactly when it arrives. It's easy to install and works seamlessly with most mailboxes, making it a no-brainer for anyone who values convenience. Why is it so genius? Some models go the extra mile with tamper alerts, adding an extra layer of security for your mail and packages. It's especially handy for frequent online shoppers or those who travel often and want to keep tabs on their deliveries. With the Mailbox Sensor, you're always in the loop, no matter where you are. Peace of mind has never been so simple or so smart. Number 5. Go-Kart Sweeper, Cleaning with a Twist. Cleaning has officially leveled up with the Go-Kart Sweeper, a gadget that combines practicality with a whole lot of fun. Imagine riding around your driveway, warehouse, or even a massive garage while effortlessly sweeping up dirt and debris. This ride-on sweeper takes the drudgery out of chores, turning cleaning into an experience you might actually look forward to. It's efficient, easy to use, and designed to tackle large spaces with style. Why is it a game changer? With adjustable settings, it adapts to different surfaces, ensuring optimal performance no matter the task. From dusty driveways to cluttered warehouses, it gets the job done quickly and thoroughly. Pro tip: hand it over to the kids. They'll think it's a fun ride, and you'll get sparkling floors without lifting a finger. It's the perfect blend of utility and entertainment, proving that even cleaning can be exciting. Number 4. Portable camp stove. Cook anywhere. For all the adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts, the portable camp stove is an essential companion for your escapades. Compact, lightweight, and impressively powerful, this gadget is designed to make cooking in the great outdoors a breeze. Whether you're camping under the stars, hiking through rugged trails, or preparing for emergencies, this camp stove ensures you can whip up a hot meal wherever life takes you. Its portability doesn't compromise its functionality. It's built for efficiency and ease of use. Why is it a standout? The versatility of working with various fuel types, combined with safety features like flame control and wind guards, makes this stove a reliable choice in any setting. From tailgating and picnics to those zombie apocalypse kits we all joke about but secretly consider, it's a gadget that adapts to your needs. It's not just about survival, it's about cooking with convenience and style, no matter the circumstances. Number 3. Garage Bike Rack. Space-saving marvel. Say goodbye to the clutter and chaos in your garage with the Garage Bike Rack, the ultimate space-saving solution for bike lovers. This smart, wall-mounted storage system keeps your bikes organized, off the ground, and out of the way, freeing up valuable floor space. Whether you're an avid cyclist or just trying to wrangle the family's gear, this rack brings order to the madness while protecting your bikes from accidental knocks and scratches. Why is it a must-have? These racks aren't just functional, they're built to impress. Sturdy and sleek, they can accommodate multiple bikes with ease, making them ideal for families or serious cycling enthusiasts. Some advanced models even come equipped with built-in locks for added security, so your prized two-wheelers are safe and sound. Bonus, with its minimalist design, it feels like Marie Kondo personally approved your garage upgrade. Clean, organized, and aesthetically pleasing, this rack checks all the boxes. Number 2. Laptop phone mount. Multitask like a pro. Let's talk multitasking like a pro. The laptop phone mount is a game changer for anyone juggling multiple screens. This clever gadget attaches your phone to your laptop screen, keeping your notifications, video calls, or apps within easy view while you work. Whether you're managing emails during a Zoom meeting or keeping an eye on social media while tackling a report, this mount streamlines your workflow and eliminates the awkward neck craning that comes with constantly checking your phone. What makes it even better? It's lightweight, portable, and sleek, perfect for remote workers, digital nomads, or anyone who values efficiency. With adjustable angles and compatibility across various phone models, it's designed to meet your needs with style. Pro tip, pair it with a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse for a seamless dual-screen setup and watch your productivity skyrocket. This isn't just a mount, it's the ultimate multitasking upgrade. Number 1. Wooden bank lamp, functional art. Finally, claiming the top spot on our list is the wooden bank lamp, a perfect marriage of functionality and elegance. This versatile gadget isn't just a lamp, it's a piece of art that elevates any space. With its sleek wooden design and warm ambient lighting, it sets the mood for cozy evenings or productive late-night work sessions. Its natural aesthetic blends seamlessly with modern or classic decor, making it a stylish addition to your home or office. What makes it number 1? Beyond its beauty, this lamp is packed with practical features. It's energy efficient, offers adjustable brightness levels to suit any activity, and many models even include wireless charging pads for your devices. It's the ultimate multitasker. Light up your space, charge your gadgets, and add a touch of sophistication to your surroundings all at once. This is not just functional art, it's a lifestyle upgrade. And that's a wrap on our 10 genius Amazon finds. Which gadget are you adding to your cart? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. If you enjoyed this list, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Tony's Top Tech for more life-changing gadgets and tech reviews. And hey, hit the notification bell so you never miss a beat. Until next time, stay curious, stay tech savvy, and keep making life easier, one genius gadget at a time. See you soon.